My video is about getting rid of a new browser hijacker which is called Your Incognito Search. Your Incognito Search. So it is actually called as a browser hijacker because it changes a lot of browser settings. For instance, the default homepage, the default search engine, and most often it also changes the new tab URL. Let's demonstrate what happens when you submit some search queries through this yourincognitosearch.com. You notice that the results are delivered by searchly.com. Sometimes they are delivered by Yahoo or by Bing. And no matter what search queries you submit, you still notice this strange redirection through unfamiliar websites. Of course, the developers of Your Incognito Search promise that by installing the extension you'll be able to get more privacy, but believe me, there are many browser hijackers like that instead spy on your browsing activities, and they are often spread through bundling with many free applications, so people might install them unintentionally. And that's one of the main reasons why it is also called as a potentially unwanted program. Therefore, to get rid of your incognitosearch.com, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, and disable and delete any suspicious extensions that might be in place. I also recommend that you perform additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. So after the application is successfully downloaded, you need to let it update its antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to begin the detailed investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scanning, the program gives you the report about the total number of threats found during the scan. The duration of scan may vary depending on your particular case and on the number of threats that are in your Mac. You may click on Review Results in the Antivirus section. The program will show you the exact location of each specific threat. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you its location and you may immediately right-click on it and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to remove threats. Or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats altogether automatically, but with the registered version of the program.